made a loading ramp so I can get the excavator onto the truck, but I don't want to put it on straight on these rails because I think it's going to be quite slippery and possibly slide off. So I'm going to attach these boards on here, and that should give it a bit more grip, I think. I've spaced them out so that the centre of the tracks are in the centre of the board, so it should be pretty stable on there, I think. And I can still get the sides in here, so I don't need to take these off. So I'll secure those down with bolts and see if we can prime the old digger on there. The handles that load with these felt quite stable actually. Wasn't rocking around or anything. The payload for the truck is 19 tonne and the excavator is 10 tonne, so it handles that quite easily. So now I'll be able to move the excavator down the driveway to where I need to do work. It's a 6 kilometre driveway, so that's going to save quite a bit of wear and tear on the tracks. But first of all I have to do some trimming on the edges because there's some low branches which will take out the glass, and there's a few bits on the driveway I sort of want to level out, so I'm not leaning over too far because it is quite top heavy, but I think it'll be fine if I go slow and just make sure I don't go over to the edge too much. So a lot of comments on the last video, people were saying they've never seen a Mitsubishi V8. It's a 8DC9, 16 litre, 16.1 litre I think it is. So yeah, it's a big beast. Not short on power. I think it puts out around about 300 horsepower, non-turbo, but I don't really need the turbo on this thing. It's a pretty powerful unit, and the truck is a 1987 Mitsubishi FS425. I think they were known as a Mitsubishi Fighter. Beast of a thing. I got it quite cheap because there is a fair bit of rust in the cab which would take quite a bit of effort to repair, but yeah, I don't need it on the road, so it doesn't worry me. I'll just be using it for moving the old excavator up and down the driveway. Anyway, we'll leave it there. I'll do some more work on the track so I can get this thing down, and we'll come back to it. Thanks for watching guys, catch you next time.